Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to cover AND operator or operator, not operator, and in operator. So let's start the video.
So first operator is AND operator. Okay. So now what is AND operator? AND operator says that let's suppose if AND is applied between two conditions, then both of them should be true. Now what does that mean? Okay, let's come to the next page. See, let's suppose there is a condition 1 and we have written and between them and then condition 2. So this means that both of these conditions should be true. Okay, both of them should be true. As the name suggests, this and this, both of them should be true. Okay, let's come over for the demo. I'll quickly switch on the MySQL workbench. Enter the password. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, let's do we need it? Okay, I guess we'll reuse the data only. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Let's first of all make a new SQL file. We'll write first thing. First of all, we'll make a new table only straight away. Before that, we need to write use database, which is DB. Execute this, paste it, and now we'll write students. Okay, go back. Done. ID, name, and age. Fine. Insert into students. What names can we take? Let's take the name of the superstars only. Shahid. Exit. Then next name we can take. Let's do it straight away one by one only. Copy this only. I guess that much would be sufficient. Let's quickly delete it. Okay, let the age be 23, 24. Next name be 3. The Akshay. Amir. And Ritik. 3, 4. We'll give them some different ages. 34, 41, and let it be 38. Okay, it's fine. Let's quickly make the database. I guess it's been made. Select star from students. Yeah, it's done now. Okay, now let's come over to our AND operator. So let's take an example. Say for we want to take all the names from the list which are in the range of 24 to 41. Okay, so we can write where age is greater than equal to 24 and age is less than equal to 41, or you can say 42 or something. So now according to this, 23 should be removed. Let's check. See, 23 is not there. Let's take another example from our original database only. Say for we want somewhat in the range of mm, 33. Only one guy is there who is in the range of 24 to 33. This is the purpose of AND operator. Okay. Now let's come over to the next one. The next one which we would be studying is OR operator. Okay. OR operator, as the name says, it will actually check whether one of the conditions are true. Out of two conditions, if one of them is true, then it will work. One कट यार, नेट इशू हो गया एकदम से. क्या हो गया यार ये? यार चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, कंटिन्यू. नेटवर्क इशू अब सही हो गया. So the next thing is OR operator. What does this means? That OR operator, as the name says, it states that either of the two conditions should be true. Okay, let's either of the two conditions should be true. Now, what does that mean? Let's suppose this is a condition 1 and this is our condition 2. And if we put an operator OR between them, this means that if this is true, then it is valid. Otherwise, if this is true, then also it is valid. Okay, let's check it. Come for the demo part. Now we'll check it in this one only. Okay, first of all, let's display the whole table. See, this is my whole table. Now, if I give you a condition that what if I'll display only the names which are either greater than say for greater than 30 or less than 25, but I guess we don't have something in the range of 25 to 30, so let's think of some another range. 25 to 30 would be our exclusive range. Now what does quickly come back, I'm saying we'll be considering either the age is less than equal to 25 or age is greater than equal to 35. Okay, let's quickly write it. Age is greater than 25 or age is less than equal to 35. So now what will happen? I guess I wrote it. Yeah, I wrote it in the reverse direction. It should be less than 25 and greater than 35. Now run it. Okay. So all the names which are getting displayed are either less than 25 or they are greater than 35. Okay. One of them is true. See, let's suppose if we take an example of Shahid. So age of Shahid is 23. So if we compare it with this condition, is 23 less than equal to 25? Yes, it is true. Is 23 greater than equal to 35? No, it is false. But because this statement is true, this would be executed. Okay. This is what the OR condition does. Okay. Come on to the next one. Our next one would be not operator. Not operator means it will give you the negation of the statement. Now, what does that mean? Say for if I put a not operator and say that age is greater than 35. So let's suppose we have a data where age is say 25, 35 and 45. So if we just consider this, that what would be age greater than 45? Only this one would be. Only this record. This is equal to 35 and this is less than 35. But if we add a not behind beside it, then what will happen? It will select this and this one. Okay. Hope you understand the meaning of negation. That not where the age is not greater than 35. So this is not greater than 35 and this is also not greater than 35. Okay. Let's understand it better with the help of an example. Say, oh, first of all, let's display again the whole table. So this is our table. We say that age, where age is greater than equal to 35. Okay. First of all, we'll see what it will give us in greater than 35. See, only Amir and Ritik are there. Now, if we put a not, then everybody is here except Amir and Ritik. Okay, so this is what the not operator does. Okay, let's take one another example. Say for we call it for like 25. Firstly, we'll check age greater than equal to 25. It is Akshay, Amir, and Ritik. And if we put a not, then everybody except Akshay, Amir, and Ritik. So this is the not operator. Let's come back to our Jamboard. Okay, the next operator would be in operator. Okay, so in operator, what does it say? It is somewhat similar to or operator. It is similar to or operator. Somewhat, I'll write this, somewhat similar to or operator. Okay, say what does it help? It helps us to give specific values. Say for if we want all the ages, all the I all the outputs which are having ages exactly 15, 35 and 30 to be displayed, then we need to use in operator. Now, how is it similar to or operator? I'll show you first. Okay, if we are talking about 15, 30 and 35. But the thing is, I guess we don't have any data for 15, 30 and 35, so it will give a blank output only. So we'll choose it to be, um, we'll choose it to as 24 and 34 and 30. Okay. So we are talking about where age is equal to 28. or age is equal to, I'm sorry, it's 24, 24, 34, or what was the last value? 30. Age equal to 30. Now see, 24 and 34 are getting displayed. Now let's suppose if we want it to be, these are only 3 entries. What suppose if it was somewhat 7 or 8 entries? Then our code would get more long. Okay, the query would get more long. So for that, what we can do is we can write where age in 24, 34 and 30. So it will straight away display this. Okay, so this is the in operator. It helps us to shorten our SQL query. Okay.
So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.